Today I'm going to show you how to make those beautiful box roses that everyone's getting, and they're posting it on Instagram. They're around $200 to $300, even $500. Well, I'm going to show you how to make them on a budget using some items from the Dollar Tree, some items from your local grocery store or the flower district, and some items from Michael's. Here it is. If you want to see how I made this beautiful arrangement, look at how gorgeous. Ah! Yes, people, this was not $500. I'm going to show you how to make this under $25. So follow me. Okay guys, so here are my items. Some of these I got at the Dollar Tree, some of these I got at Michael's. So let's start off with this beautiful white box. Oh my god, this box was calling my name. It's a plain white box. I figure I can do so much with this box because it's plain. It's a 7x7 box and it was only $2.99 at Michael's. Amazing, right? So then this foam, this is a wet foam. This is the one that you wet and you put the flowers in. This one I normally get it at the Dollar Tree. I found it at Michael's, and since I had a coupon, it only came out to $1. Perfect. So these I get them at the Dollar Tree. It's two come in one pack. What I like to do is I like to cut them, line them up with the box, and then put the foam on top of it, because just in case they want to keep the box, I don't want the box ruined with the water, so I like to put the lining. Okay, so I found this gorgeous ribbon. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? You need your glue gun, and then you also need some wire just in case. So just in case a rose is being stubborn and doesn't want to go into the foam, I like to get a plain shish kebab stick, wrap the wire with the rose, and stick it in. And then, ta-da! How gorgeous are these roses? Oh my god. So guys, when picking out roses, even if you have to go to 2-3 stores, in this case I went to 3 stores until I found the perfect roses, perfect pink roses. How beautiful are these? Gorgeous, right? So it's 2 dozen, and at first I was like, oh damn, 2 dozen, clearly it's gonna be around $30. Nope, these were only $12.99. $12.99, guys. Patience is key in this project. Then I found these beautiful rose lilies. So gorgeous. So I'm gonna put them in between. We'll see. Okay, so let's start off by cutting the box open. Okay. So grab the basket bags. So let's see. You want to grab your wet foam. So I am going to do it this way. So let me line up this and cut it where it needs to be cut. So see, I'm gonna cut it right there. Easy, right? So now that the foams are lined up, you could cut the rest of the plastic. Okay, so now that your box is lined up with the clear plastic and the foam inside, you want to start cutting your roses. So you want about this height so the roses are out this way. I don't want to cover it with the cover. I'm going to do something different with the cover. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to cut every single rose this size. So once you get your first one, you want to kind of go based off the size you cut the first one, and then just cut the rest. And you also want to clean them. You want to take off the leaves that are going to make it harder to go and say, like, these leaves are fine, you can leave these because they're going to be on top and it actually makes them fuller. Also, if your roses have a little bit of brown spots, just clean it and just take off that petal. Okay, so I'm going to put the ribbon in the box. I figured the top would look really cute on the bottom, so I'll put it in the bottom. I have my glue gun heating up. Let's see. Make sure your surface is not dirty. Okay, so laying it out. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Let me turn it over. Measuring it from both sides, make sure it. So I'm gonna put a little dot of glue. Line it up. So I'm gonna turn it around. And I'm gonna glue in the inside. Is it nice and straight? Yeah. I'm gonna put another dot. So I glue the inside. So another dot on the other side. Kind of eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be pretty. Okay. So I got one side down. See? See how pretty? Yes. Okay. So next side. Same thing. Line it up. Middle of this one where I put the glue. And do this side. There. Look how pretty. Okay, this one's a little crooked. Let me fix that. Can fix it before the glue dries. Okay, now that we've added the foam back with the clear lining, I'm gonna wet the foam a little bit before adding the roses, just so they can be easier to spread out. There. And now you start off with one rose. So I like to put them in the corner first. Let's see. Start off corner to corner. Okay. Okay, so I moved the camera so you can see a better angle. So you see how I like to start off with all four corners, because I want to make sure I have enough. Obviously I'm going to have enough to fill up the whole thing, but I want to start off corner to corner. So then you start see how easily they go in once you wet the foam? Oh my god, I can't believe I got all the roses in here. How beautiful. And I haven't even put some greenery on them. I don't even know if I want to. Look at how pretty. Okay, let's put the rose lilies now. And done. Here you go, guys. Beautiful Instagram rose box on a budget. I hope you guys like this DIY and this beautiful arrangement that I created for my friend Lena's birthday. And guys, if you guys try to recreate this, please tag me in any pictures. I would love to see how they came out. And if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and until next time, thank you guys.